Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A73. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Then tap on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Now on your Android device, tap on Send at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. On Samsung though, you need to choose Receive next to Send and History. Also on Samsung, scroll all the way down and personalize your ad pop-up. Click on the best option for your ads, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window, then go back to an Android. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. Then tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on some of your files, like that, and tap on Send Then. Over here in waiting screen, click on Got it and here's some tip pop-up. Then choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to use the QR code, tap on this scanning icon on Samsung above User Guide. Click on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key though, you need to tap on Input Key section. Below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. After that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!